Hi, welcome to Kerr's Furniture Service. What we're going to do today is repair a split in the back of a chair. This happens a lot where the delamination of the timber occurs and we get a sharp split, usually in the back or the leg. In this case it's in the back. What we're going to do to repair this is we're going to add two dowel pins at a slight angle to the backrest. So the first job is to take off the seat cushion. We don't want glue or water getting anywhere near the seat cushion, so we remove it. Keep it well away from the project. With the seat cushion removed, we can really have a look at how far the split moves down the back of the chair. In this case, the split is around 10 centimeters long, 4 inches or so. Next thing we need to do is find the appropriate size dowel pin to put in the back of the chair. In this case, what we're doing is we're looking at a 3/8 dowel pin, as the chair back, the timber on the chair back is about 1 inch by 1.25 inches. What we're doing here is we're just picking the appropriate drill sizes. A 3/8 drill, and we're also going to get a smaller pilot drill bit. Just getting a few of the materials we're going to need: some water, lots of water, some white glue, a drill, this is our pilot bit, it's been put into the drill there. What I'm going to do is just check the drill bit's going to work in the back of the leg, and then we're going to mark where we're going to drill. Use a protractor for this because we want the approximate angle. Also, we want to visually see where the dowel pin will lie. Next, we take our dowel pin and we mark the depth that we want the dowel pin to move through into the backrest. We don't want to punch it through, right through. The danger in that is that you split through the back of the chair and the timber splits in the back there. So what we did is we put a piece of tape around the drill bit itself. This is the pilot bit, just to give us a depth gauge. And we'll do the same with when we put in the actual 3/8 drill bit. So again, we're going to put a piece of tape around the 3/8 drill bit just to give us a depth gauge. I'm going to follow through those pilot holes, keeping the same angle. Once again, the angle is not 90 degrees, it's just slightly higher, just to give the dowel pin a bit of a bite. Next, we've got to clean out those holes. You can do this at home with a straw, just insert the straw in the hole and blow into it and blow out any dust. Now we need to open up the split. We need to get glue into as many places as we can on both surfaces if we can. So here we have a clamp that rather than pinches close, it opens up. So we'll just reverse the clamp These are pretty standard. And we're just going to put enough pressure on there just to give it sort of, I guess, 1/4 of an inch opening at the top. And then we can drip glue through. We abundantly apply the glue. We want the glue to ooze out of the holes. And here I'm just wiping down the glue inside the split, getting it right down to the bottom, making sure we've got plenty. Take the clamp off. Immediately you can see white glue oozing out of the split. Now what we want to do is we want to take our dowel pin, so there's a bit of tape around our dowel pin there, and we want to score the dowel pin. First flush cut it, and then we're going to score the dowel pin. This means we're just going to rub the edge of our saw blade along the grain of the dowel pin. This allows the glue to seep out rather than when I drive in the dowel pin. We don't want pressure building up. We want this glue to seep around the scores that we've just added to the dowel pin. So we clamp the chair shut and insert the dowel pin and give it some gentle taps in place. Then we want to cut it roughly about 1/4 of an inch proud. We'll flush cut it later on. And goes the second. And we're just going to give it a really good wipe down. Really get that glue out of there. I'm using a nylon brush here to really get into the joins and the seams in the chair. Get out that glue. And lots of water. Really clean off the glue. Here we're flush cutting the dowel pins off using a flush cut saw. Once again, giving it a good wipe. Really get that white glue off. Now it's time to clamp it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some wax paper or greaseproof paper. White glue or most glues won't stick to wax paper. So what we want to do is we want to wrap our pieces of timber that will surround the split with in waxproof paper. So here I am, I'm going to cut it, wrap it up, in greaseproof paper. And apply the 2 sticks, boards, to either side of the split, and quick clamp it to hold it in place before I put on the pressure clamps. You see the glue oozing from the split right now. Put a quick clamp on and we'll just apply a third. Third clamp just to really apply some good pressure. What we're going to do here is just clean it up, make sure that all that glue is gone. Can remove the tape. And we're going to leave it overnight. In the morning we can take the clamps off and then recolor, retint the dowel pin ends. Touch them up and you'll be hard pressed to know that they were there at all. But that's how we provide a structural bond, structural strength to split in the chair back. If you have any questions or queries, please click on the link. Drop us a line, we're only happy to help. This is Kerr's Furniture Service with another informative video. Enjoy your day.